Nice pink periwinkle, and then of course those to come. That's going to be able. Hello everyone, my name is Wu from Stek Innovators. In this video, I just quickly want to show people what's really coming up for us. So we have a new series of a brand lineup in our Force series. So we already have the Dino series. So now we're going to get a lot of people asking, what is it for? So it's actually going to be a different way we produce films to attack the cost-effective market. So what's available is going to be 4 clear films, and we already have the colors already available. One is going to be this nice pink looking colors that you can look at. We already have the periwinkle blue, purplish color. A very funky green, flat color. And we had a lot of demand for this dusty desert Moab looking color. And then of course the most popular, the gloss black, the Force matte. So that's all available now. So what is to come is we're also going to make sure that these are all available in a dry application installation. There's many more, 20 more additional colors to come. That's going to be able to do a dry install paint protection film. So just stay tuned and check us out.